I just picked up these two Vevor drill bit holders and organizers. Open it up. Comes with extra labels. There's the feet, instructions. There's multiple different configurations with different drawers based upon what kind of drill bits you're looking to store. I ordered two different organizers. The first one starts from 1/16 of an inch up to 1/2 inch drill bits. And then it goes from 33/64 up to 63/64, which is just below an inch. For the larger drill bits, you're only going to fit one drill bit per slot. For the smaller drill bits, you should be able to fit multiple per slot. Please check the video description for more information, and thanks for watching.